Alright y'all, today we got my 14.5. This is not going to be a review on the entire rifle, but I'm coming to show y'all a product that I took interest in. I want to show y'all. Why wouldn't I come show y'all? I'm not just doing this review because they sent this out. Actually, they sent this out a few months ago. Never did a review on it. Never had any problems with it. Everything's just been good. Let me give you a rundown of what I got added on to this rifle. 6R Romeo 5, Lancer mags, Magpul M-Bus sights, Strike Industries foregrip, Strike Industries latchless charger handle, works amazing. Kung Fu grip from Die Free Co. Ambi mag release, Ambi safety selector. Took the bad lever off because that wasn't going, go with that. This up top. What is it? This is the M6L-G laser and light combo from Votatu, and I'm just coming to let y'all know that this light and laser combo will probably go on all my builds. Well, not all my builds, but most of my builds. This is my go-to rifle. I'm just thinking I'm coming to tell y'all this because they sent out a product. I could have bought this product. Could have been did a review on it, but I didn't. It's been dropped, it's been banged up. Actually just came from the range with this thing. But you can see it's been banged up, scarred. Not that bad. Finish on this pretty good. It's a light and it's a laser. Now, triple tap. Nope, double tap. You'll get a strobe laser. One tap, you get the solid laser. If you hold it, you get the momentary while you, if you need it. Then with the light, bam, that's low, that's high. You hold it, you'll get momentary light. 3 clicks, strobe. But I know y'all want to see it outside, so we got the Votatu, the M6L-G, green beam with a flashlight, 50-60 yards at the lowest. Bam. I can literally see my whole backyard, and that's even higher. So I'm gonna turn these both off. Put the beam on. I don't know if y'all can see the beam. I'm hearing shit. I don't like that. But yeah. That's the brightest. That's low mode. And they both got strobe. Even the beam. Let's go back to the table. Now, hope y'all liked the video. But I could have been like everybody else and, opted out and went and got a Surefire, or went and got a Olight. I don't even know the name of the Olight, but as y'all know, well, y'all probably don't know, I'm not that into rifles. I got a couple of them. I got about 6-7 rifles, but I'm not really into rifles. I don't know why, but they look so beautiful. Not really into them though. Really into handguns. But this laser light combo, y'all gotta go check it out. They do got some Black Friday deals going on. I think I will drop a code in my community. I will drop a code in my community post. Y'all check it out. Go to my community post. You'll get the link to the website. You can also find a link to some other things too. But yeah, I was just going to show y'all this. Now, I know I didn't exactly do an unboxing on this product, so let's see what's in the package. User manual. This is the bag that came in. Also, you can also mount it to the Picatinny rail, but I did an M-lock style, so yeah, that's another bonus. I ain't gonna take all those out. Comes with the tools and stuff, everything you need. Also, didn't mention, comes with the charger, bro. A lot of y'all was probably wondering what's that in the back. For the charger. It's for the charger, man. Put that thing right up in there. Put that thing right up in there. And that thing gonna charge. But let me put all this back inside of the packaging. Cause I like keeping my stuff neat. I don't know if y'all like keeping y'all stuff neat, but when it's time to charge it, I take it back out. When it's done charging, I'm gonna put it back exactly like this. You feel me? But while we're here, let me also give a shout out to 2 other companies' lights that I do mess with. And I actually use one for work every single day. Now, I done had this light for longer than I done had this one. So I say I done had this one for about 5-6 months. It's in my pocket. I don't know why I'm opening the box, but I had to take it out of my work uniform. But I use this thing every single day. Rechargeable and all. Working with one hand here, so put that down. Rechargeable. Takes the C charger like the new iPhones. So yeah, the charger's laying somewhere around here, but comes with a little keychain. You feel me? You hear me? Come with a light cover also, man. This thing is super bright. Super bright. I don't know how many lumens. I said it before on a short that I did, but yeah. This is the X2 from Woobin. User manual. Y'all know I don't just do light reviews, but these lights is best bang for your buck. Let me say that. These are probably the best bang for your buck. So yeah, y'all go over to their websites also. Visit them boys. I got one more to show y'all. This isn't a weapon light. This is like a everyday carry light. So keep that in mind. You cannot mount these to your firearm. This is the Chloris GL4. Oh, see, I got that thing mounted up there. This is a full 16-inch rifle. Got the pressure pad, all the good stuff that y'all like. Rechargeable. Comes with a charger. I don't know where the packaging is, but I still got it somewhere. It's probably over there on my stand over there. But quick detachable. I got my sights on here, so let me see if I can. Bam. Quick detachable, but I got everything in the way, so take that thing off real quick, slide that thing back on. But I got it taped up here, so it's not gonna come off right now. Well, at least how I was trying to show y'all. I'm not gonna be taking it off no time soon. But yeah, this is my whole little budget bill. I was just giving a shout out to these 3 light companies that, you know, I like. I'm gonna show y'all what I like. I'm also show y'all what I don't like. You feel me? Keep it a bean with y'all boys. But that's really it on the lights. Other than the TLR1s, the Surefires, I won't be spending all my money on Surefires. Y'all can do it though. Yeah, other than TLR1s, Surefires, those is really all the lights that I rock with. I know I said I was gonna drop every Wednesday, but this is a bonus video for y'all. So without further ado, like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to your boy. We out.